Hello, Voyagers. Welcome to Paradise Lost.
We are here in New York City, taking you straight into the abyss. This incredible bar has a devilishly unique take on tiki. Think Tropical Escape meets punk rock club, with sinfully good twists on island classics, and food so delicious these guys must have made a deal with the devil himself. We're going deep into the dark heart of NYC tiki, so grab a Mai Tai and get ready, because here, paradise isn't lost at all. It's just served on the rocks.
All right, friends, we're here at Paradise Lost, and our first little drink, a Saturn, had to get it. The most decorative one I've seen. Okay, it even comes with little alien guys. Those are my friends, so let's give this one a try. Wow, that's so good. That's the best Saturn I've ever had, and you can kind of taste the spice a little bit, and it's not overbearing, it's just a hint of it. It makes it taste really good, really brings out the flavors. It has 3 types of gin in there, Old Tom, hopped, and Navy strength. And I am ready for it. Okay, we just saw the Lost Boys play, by the way, on Broadway. You guys really need to see that play. It was amazing. They sat us right in front of the Swizzle sticks. The amount of Swizzle sticks they have are crazy, and I want every single one of them. There's some that look like zombie hands, and they say Paradise Lost, and apparently on their website you can just buy them. They're really awesome. And we got sat right in front of this big bat. This thing is crazy. Look at that thing. The devil's in the details here. There's definitely the devil here too, but they also have our little Voodoo chips. Nice touch. This is the Fried Jerk Chicken Sando, spicy pickles, tamarind ranch, brioche bun, and, like I said, Voodoo chips. That sauce is amazing. Okay, guys, this chicken sandwich is amazing. If you ever come to Paradise Lost, definitely get the chicken sandwich. The ranch tastes house-made. It's delicious. It's kind of like a sweet ranch. Really, really good. And they give you a decent portion. We also got the chicken dumplings, so we're gonna give these bad boys a try. They smell really, really good. They kind of smell like regular dumplings, I guess. Wow, very flavorful filling, very soft dumpling on the outside. Man, this place is, we've only gotten 2 food items before, and I'm really very excited already. All right, this is the Chartreuse Swizzle. Chartreuse, pineapple, and falernum. Only 2 monks know the full chartreuse recipe. This drink's good, that Saturn is amazing, and the food has been really good so far, so I'm hard-pressed to find something bad so far, and the service has been really good. It's nice to come somewhere that you're like super excited about. We were excited to come here, and then everything is great. All the decorations are really awesome. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked on this place.
So obviously, Paradise Lost isn't your average tiki bar. They've created a unique experience here, taking the best of tiki and leaving behind the cultural appropriation and erasure in favor of creating the world of the abyss. A place where monsters surf bodacious waves and ghouls drink Mai Tais. Its dark, mood-drenched carved wood and bamboo feels like a tropical hideaway, while Polaroids, doodle-covered cash, and a dark punk rock vibe mix in East Coast dive bar, hardcore DIY space energy you won't find anywhere else.
This is the Sunrise Over the River Styx. It's like their version of a pearl diver with cantaloupe in it, and it's got even a little melon ball right here, if you can see that. Looks very creamy. The bartender said they use heavy cream in this, and I am stoked on that. So far, we have not been disappointed by this place. Oh yeah, okay. Very creamy. I love the cantaloupe. I wasn't expecting to like it because I'm not a huge fan of melon, but that is really, really good. Wow. Even though I just said I'm not a huge fan of melon, I guess I'll eat this little melon ball, okay? This is really, really good. I actually think this is better than a regular pearl diver. First of all, is it innovative with the cantaloupe? Yes, honey. The melon makes it so, so good. Just enough flavor to make it better than a regular pearl diver. So, cheers. Yes, I'm gonna be trashed by the end of this. This is the Beelz Road Soda, Clarified Piña Colada, as the bartender said, and it looks very pretty. It's definitely clarified, you can see right through. It's like an aquarium glass. All right, let's give this bad boy a try. Ooh, coconutty, soda-y, light, crushable. Luckily, we're taking a subway train and not driving a car, okay? This is really, really good. The bartender recommended this one. Kind of reminds me of Japanese soda a little bit, like the ramen. Now, every now and then they play surf music in here, a little tiki vibes, but it's mostly punk rock. I don't mind personally. I love this place. The drinks have been good. The food is spot on. If you happen to be in New York, you should definitely visit Paradise Lost. We noticed all these dollar bills stapled with random stuff on it. So the bartender gave me a Sharpie. It shouldn't give me the $1 bill. Okay, I had it my own. What should I write on here, guys? What do you think? Voyager review, Tiki Pilgrimage 2026. You guys, it's a fuzzy wall. And it's time for us to go. How do I get out of here? Oh, this bar was definitely awesome. You should definitely check out Paradise Lost. It's definitely one of my favorite places we've been so far. Thank you so much for joining us. If you enjoyed this content, leave a little devil emoji down below if you love a little fiendish fun. And please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.